Ekibumbe eki necho mutano kandi nechamani chikozure Eric Prince India kandi nikiza omwanya ogu ekibumbe ekikuru kyabire kiriho ekyabire kikozirwe ombwire bw'abajungu ekizire kikashenywa omu 2019 oba bene bagezeho okukora enkuuto na no kugihangusya. Ekibumbe eki obwahati kirimu ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe kandi nikitanurwamu equator line ekiri koreka ngu Uganda ehire kureba ngu yataho ebintu byona ebigenderire okubasa kureta abarambuzi na n'ebintu ebingi ebirikubashemeza. Abakuru omu by'oburambuzi omu district eya Kasese nibagira ngu ekibumbe eki kija kuyambaho munonga aha kubasa konjera amani omu by'oburambuzi na no kubasa kureba ngu abantu babutosha bafuna sente.
At Chikorongo, we have developed, the government is in partnership with the private sector, is developing the Equator stopover. A lot is underway to have a fully fledged stopover at that point. So, as I've said, Kasese is actually day in, day out, trying to develop. We are trying to develop ourselves alongside the value chain of tourism, discovering every opportunity, every beauty, every natural endowment, and we put our heads together to see how we develop it as a place that is going to have us host here more people who come to see our beauty and enjoy our hospitality, our culture, our heritage, and what God has given us.
Many people have not yet known what this means. And once you are on that spot there, and when you are told of how the choreographic forces operate on the globe, then that's when you begin to wake up and understand the real geography.
What the new monument sign means to the industry or to the country. A lot of people are parking here to take photos, to feel the equator, how it looks like, and because they have seen other pictures, they are coming for the same reason. Now when they travel, they spend money along the value chain, and the economy grows.
Oguna yongera agira ngu omwanya ogu ahari kumanywa nka equator line obwahati gubiro omwanya gw'amani abo kugira ngo abarambuzi abari kuzo muri Kasese hamwe n'Kyanga kya Burengyerweizooba tibakabasa kuraba mwanya ogu batemerireho.
Is an opportunity that we should boast of, and we should tell the people the geography of our land. So it is another unique beauty that people want to see. What does it mean? What does it show? What is the geography around? How does it look like?
Even tourists that used to come to Queen Elizabeth would just bypass without stopping. Now it is going to be an official stopover, even an official tourism product. A person plans that I will have to stop at the Equator Chikorongo.
Sky TV yagambaho na n'abashubuzi abari mu Bira Esther kandi basima government habo kubateraho ekibumbe eki ari kugira ngo eco bwahati nikija kubasa kuyambaho munonga omukwasa kutungura eby'obushubuzi.
To appreciate the government of Uganda for the beautiful things they are doing to our country, more especially to the people of Kasese. As you can see behind me, there is an equator line, and it has promoted our tourism here in Kasese municipality, and it is bringing more tourists, hence increasing the economy of Kasese district and Uganda at large.
Okurugirira ahari chifuadeno wa Queen Elizabeth National Park Pontius Ezuma agira ngu omwanya ogu ogwa Kasese Chikorogo Equator Line gwija kubasa kuhibwayo omu butongole aha mukoro ogw'ebyoburambuzi obugurabeho.
We are going to officially launch the new equator. The monument has now been put in place, and as many of you might have seen as you pass this Kasese Barara Road, that is one of the structures which will be the highlights of that day. And being in the center of earth in Uganda is a pride to be.
Chikorogo Equator Line eri aha mwanya murungi oguri kwereka kurungi Queen Elizabeth National Park kandi obwahati nibajangwa abantu abinja bakuhikaho bagushemererwa munonga. Amakuru agagasha kwa Muhindo Gerard aha Sky TV omuri Kasese.